Well, how's it going? So, I just went dumpster diving and whatnot, and we found something really cool. Really cool, actually. So, solder you use for, like, soldering wires together. Stuff that melts at low temperatures, and you can, like, fuse wires together with it, type of thing. And, well, these are huge chunking things of solder. Found them in the dumpster. Know they're solder because where my dad works out, they threw them out, and so whatnot. But these are actually solder. I know that because they've been so freaking easily. Let's see if I can just. Solder. It's heavier than aluminum, but it has a way lower melting point than aluminum. But we're going to be having some fun with this stuff. Let me go find my tripod here. Is it over here? No. I'll be back with you. I gotta find my tripod. Found it. I was going to spend like 5 hours looking for it. Okay, let's slap the phone in here. Okay. Now, having a little bit of fun with this stuff. So we're going to try the little bolt cutters here. We're going to see how easily this stuff cuts. See if it'll even fit in the jaws in the first place. Only about half of it. We're still going to see Phil. Okay, that cuts through like butter. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that cuts through it just like butter. Boom, we got a little chunk right here. So much softer than aluminum. Now we're gonna melt this down, probably with the blowtorch. That's all it's gonna take. Let me find something to melt it down in. Oh, see, this is solder and wire right here. This is what you use. This is these are like, yeah, you get the point. It's big and it's cool. What can I melt this down in? I don't really have anything. Melt it down my little cast iron I have. It's probably not going to take much. Here we go. Did not take much whatsoever. Just gonna let that sit for a bit, I guess. Oh my god. That is so cool. How long does it stay liquid for? Dude, okay. I don't know what was in the bottom of this, but it smells okay. It's beeswax. It smells like beeswax in it. That's what that is. That did not take much whatsoever. And that's what soldering does. It's gonna take a bit to cool off, I made it look ugly, now I gotta fix it. I have some aluminum here. We'll just like And that's solder for you guys. Oh, wait, let that set up for a bit there, and hey. Blowtorch just got stolen from me. Okay, I don't know if it actually will, like, grab on to the aluminum or not. The aluminum does. Nope. Okay, figures. But I'll be danged. That is pretty cool. Let me get some water on it here. It's not sizzling. Oh my god, it's cold as a rock now. That did not take much whatsoever. Oh, shoot. It's liquid at one point, now it's cold. Hasn't even been like a minute. Probably not even 2 minutes. Aluminum does not do that. That is cool. So yeah, that's huge sticks of, well, solder. Yeah, solder. They're beefy little turds too. They're soft. They're really soft. But then I make that clear by bending one. So. But they're poured in open top mold, I can tell you that. The rusty sides are clear, but they got the little div that goes down the middle here. They're poured in the mold. But that is cool. On another note, thank you guys for watching. Hope this entertained you for about 8 minutes this is. But yeah. Just to let you know, if my channel ever goes missing, Library Forge, that's where I'll be, same exact content. I say that nowadays because I've got, like, YouTube's pulling videos out of their butt to strike me on, and I'm on my second. If I get my third, channel will be deleted. So, within the same 90-day period. So, just to let you know there. So, I haven't been posting a lot lately because, yeah, about that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again.